There you go.
Thank you.
There you go. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, hi, and welcome back to another video. It is come that time. I need to go hygiene shopping. I basically have been getting away with it because I've been traveling, so I've been picking up little things here and there, whatever. But also from the last hygiene shopping video, I have learned that I don't necessarily need to try so many new products at one time. Probably just pick one or two new things, because I was not satisfied with a lot of stuff I got, but I wish I would have, like, you know, thought it through more. So this time I have a list. We are gonna go hygiene shopping today, so welcome to our hygiene shopping fall/autumn edition, and we're gonna go to Target to do our hygiene shopping today. I just stopped and got some breakfast. I'm gonna eat that. Got some Whataburger. I got a little taquito with cheese meal, if you would like to know my order. I just wanted to bring you guys along with me because I do have to stock up on some hygiene stuff, and I feel like y'all would really enjoy that. But before we get into this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. If you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be linked right here, as well as in the bio below. Be a part of the village, be a part of the family. Let's get into the video.
Made it into Target. I'm going to just be going down the aisles, and then I'm going to be picking up some stuff and telling you guys about my favorite hygiene products. Let's go. So I don't really have a dog in this fight or anything, because if you know me personally, you know. I recently found out that in pads that have the, like, let's say these, right? Like, they have a little paper thing in the middle between the wings. You're actually supposed to put the paper back between the wings on the bottom of your panty so it doesn't get stuck. So then that way, I don't know if that ever happened to you guys or if you wore pads, but mine would always get stuck or like rip off my panty and then end up getting stuck to my leg, and it's real painful. If you get periods and wear pads, that's a tip. I would like to say that I was extremely disappointed because I had such high hopes in the flamingo razor. This is the nice little flamingo razor. Right, she's beautiful, gorgeous. Anyway, my issue is not with her. I think she's a great quality razor. My issue is with her shower holder. Here's tea. The Dr. Bronner's bars, amazing, great, and they're on my list. They're $1 cheaper at Trader Joe's, but I don't know realistically when the next time I'm going to be at a Trader Joe's is, so I think I'm just going to get it here and hope that my discount makes a difference, you know? If I want to get the one bar or if I want to get both of the bars, to be honest. Let's move forward. I don't know what kind of toothpaste you guys prefer, but I'm a good old Sensodyne gal. Value pack $17.49. Tell me in the comments what's your favorite toothpaste. I feel like toothpaste is one of those things that's like hard, you know, because I don't know, like you gotta really play around with it and you gotta really like use an entire tube low-key, so it's like it's really a commitment if you think about it. Go with this good old Sensodyne Repair and Protect Deep Repair. Why are things to help you sustain your life so fucking expensive? So as you know, I've been really into reading and I just be coming down the book aisle now. I don't want to say I'm getting sophisticated or nothing, but reading has kind of been something I really like doing. I keep hearing this, like, people I watch on YouTube talk about this book called The Silent Patient, and it was just right here when I looked up. So like I haven't read a book like this in so long. I've been reading like mainly self-help books, so this will be really fun to kind of read a book about like a story and see if I enjoy it. This book up here is called Green Lights by Matthew McConaughey. If I ever had to recommend a book, that is such a good book. Here's the book I'm talking about. Okay, let's go check out. I'm back. I ended up doing all of my shopping at Target. Okay, so as far as mouthwashes go, I tried this mouthwash out when I was in Florida called the Therawair. I got the smaller size and it lasts me that entire pretty much month I was out there. I don't know what it is about her, but she busts every time. The one for healthy gums, the one for anti-cavity. Let's talk about body washes. So as you guys know, I always do a double cleanse and usually I go in with the St. Ives. They didn't have any new fragrances. Decided to go with a nice little vanilla Dove. That was always one of my fave go-tos, and the vanilla scent just gives it right. Picked up some of this CeraVe moisturizing lotion. I wanted to try this out because I really like their facial wash that I use, and I've heard that this is like super moisturizing for real, so I wanted to just try something out because I feel like my skin does get a little drier. I was looking for a body butter more so, but I couldn't find that, so I was like, okay, well, this will do. Speaking of face wash, my tried and true, I've been stuck on her forever and ever. Now listen, Wars. I've tried the spray on. The spray is great. I feel like it doesn't last long enough. I've tried the normal stick. The stick gives me those weird white lines and I'm not here for it at all. So the gel, she's my fave. She doesn't ever make me feel like, you know, moist or anything like that. I picked this up last time. I got it from Walmart last time, but I picked this up, hyaluronic acid. She's been one of my faves. Picked up some cotton pads. Keep seeing the reusable ones all over, but something about the reusable ones just kind of scare me. Like, I feel like that's not supposed to be a thing. Like, that doesn't feel clean. I don't know. In the video, I was kind of talking a little bit about products that I picked up too much of at first, and one of those was the Dove body polishes. I was kind of under the impression that they were supposed to be like exfoliants in a way, but I don't think they're supposed to be like exfoliants at all. They're actually a polish. So I picked up some Tree Hut exfoliators, and I know that there's like, you know, the whole debate between sugar and salt scrubs, but since this is only going on the outside of my body, which is the only place you should be using them, so I got this one in Moroccan Rose, Aurora Nights. Look at how cute this packaging is. That one in Vanilla. Picked up some more of these. We'll probably pick up some more in the meantime. Like I told you guys, these are my favorite, like quick, simple wipe my face when I get up in the morning. Picked up another Dove shower. Learned that I also love the lids that you squeeze out as opposed to the ones that you like pump. I don't really like shower pumps anymore. I needed some more shave gel, so I picked up this EOS for sensitive skin. And then I also picked up my Sensodyne. Got a Dr. Bronner's bar, this moisturizing cream that I'm gonna start using in my night routine. A new vitamin C serum. We're gonna try this one out and see what it's looking like. Since I'm gonna be doing a lot of traveling soon, I picked up some smaller items just to put with me in my suitcase. I got some Aquaphor, some 2 small TheraBreaths, as well as a little mini Crest toothpaste. Honorable mention items: my L Leave-In Deep Conditioner, 2 Glade Scented Plug-In, and The Silent Patient. But I'm actually gonna start reading this along while I'm doing my travel, so I'm super excited. That's all that I got in this fall hygiene haul. Thank you guys so much for coming with me. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified when I post. And if you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!